Get ready for the adrenaline rush in 3, 2...
Okay. Bite, you got a bite. Get him out of there, Axe. Come out with your hands up. Slowly come out to the sound of my voice. Get him out.
What's up?
Goodness,
There we go. This video was filmed on Lake Tanganyika, one of Africa's largest lakes.
I don't know what she got, but she went.
That's the kind of natural law we adore.
keep those teeth to yourself.
After that, the dog will never ask to tag along on a fishing trip again.
It doesn't tickle, it really likes her.
Oh, she likes you.
Hágale, qué bendición por ahí.
Legged officers handle the toughest jobs in the police force. Looks cute. Shots prove that a spacecraft launch is just as breathtaking as a sunrise.
Oh yeah, look at his claws. Oh my gosh.
प्रोग्राम बढ़ गया इससे बढ़ना आके इसको बढ़ना कहते हैं ये बढ़ गया.
Humans touch them. These tourists got incredibly lucky to meet one of those rare, friendly guys. Not tamed, but trusting. Turns out just a couple.
Dang, they heard about a fishing spot.
Surxondaryo viloyati Boysun tumanida unda gaz chiqqan ekan yerdan.
It's not exactly a selfless friendship, but it's still better than being enemies. Choice to connect and come near.
Tienes que trabajar.
Especially when every minute counts. Instead of growling, he went for kisses. Kikoa the love-struck wolf.
प्रोग्राम बढ़ गया नहीं रे ना यादन जाते हैं आई पावा
I'm taking a little video.
kita hari ini mendapat kerangka.
Говоря, я сперва я не понял, кто на меня смотрит. Кто знает, что это?
Por aqui. Está releando el hombro ahí.
With a single jump. And here's our troublemaker of the day, a brazen coyote that crashed.
Cuánto amor.
The real magic happens when.
Bring him out. Get him out. Yeah. Good boy, good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah, get him out of there. Get him out of there.
Get away!
How's that for close, you guys?
Woo! Up close!
So close.
Oh man!
The camera's frame rate matched the rotation speed of the blades, producing an effect that only appears on video.
Что такое? А?
Yeah, though, just a little bit, so they don't smash his hand. Yo, Gigi, come here.
Hey, bro, when you let it go, you gotta hop out and run.
Friendship with a crocodile.
Så Rainbow, han er en bredsnudet krokodille. Og hvis vi løfter op her, så kan vi se det her hud her. Det er lidt ligesom et elefant.
Oh my god. That dog are definitely dead.
I told you they're crazy.
My heart's right there.
A police dog is in such
Eat that fucking fast.
Talk about he's stuck still. Like he's look at him.
He hit, yeah.
Dude, listen, man.
Oh, God, that sucks.
looks like movie magic, but
Your hands! Stop! Your hands! Stop! Give me your hands! Stop! Stop! Your hands! Stop! Stop! Roll on your belly! Roll on your belly! Roll.
There you go. Good, Andy.
red tablecloth wasn't such a good idea after all. The place looked like a battlefield. The fence smashed, the yard wrecked, and even the car got caught in the...
There he goes.
ये देखो तार ब्लास्ट होते हुए ये
It's a real struggle to wash your car after one of these bird invasions. Every year, people in Plano, Texas have to deal with this when the grackles migrate through. Disturbs the owner of this land. To film the moment a hillside collapsed right in front of him.
Я успел окно закрыть.
Веня вообще. Опа!
Sea lions and birds were especially thrilled by the rare event.
This is what you get.
Damn it. Oh my gosh, dang it, my fence. Kidding me, Moose. Gosh.
An hour, so people gladly head there to watch the show.
I was slow on that. I was slow. Ik heb ben echt geblest.
delivers a bit less each day than the others, but that's just because he keeps stopping to help people out.
Oh my God.
Speed up, y'all. Speed up. Speed up.
Even Usain Bolt wouldn't be able to outrun him in his career in the police, and he's already doing remarkably well.
Back, roll the hand back. Keep your feet up. Go. Cross your legs. Cross your legs.
Give up.
Para.
He loves to show people his strength.
It's
like his favorite.
Oh my God.
Guatemala's Fuego volcano
Oh my gosh.
whales spend around 300 days a year in the ocean, so spotting one on land is a real stroke of luck.
Police dog Whiskey, and he's going to help us with some push-ups for the push-up challenge here at Calgary Police Station. Stay. Down. Sit.
Run away, baby. The problem must fell on you. You better get away.
And this is sushi.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Where'd it go? They're on the other side.
Sta partendo questo arriva dalla strada.
Доливай, ну животное пить хочет.
Gonna sit there all night long, and Toonie is going to do the same shit. Toonie will get distracted and run off and come back for more, but Todd, there's food involved.
Yeah. Yeah.
You okay? Good girl, baby.
This is how they send respected veteran police officers off into retirement.
Tutta la collina.
I hope you didn't go right up to the front door there. Yeah, went right to the front, huh? You went right. Wendy, you home?
Sooner or later.
Positivo, já continua no mesmo rumo aí.
Always clear.
Sheriff's Office K9, come out now or else my dog, he will bite you. Axel, go find him.
Do you like dogs? Can she give you a kiss? I promise she won't hurt you. I was just saying that she'd get out. That's her reward for finding you. Good girl. Thank you. What a good girl.
Oh shoot! Yo, he's trying to get it.
لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله
No, come on, come on.
七哥，拿白菜，刷个牙吃白菜。
With one bite, the hippo could have torn the guy's arm right off. But it already understands.
No, don't run towards the boys.
Damn it.
Yeah, that's it. Go that way. Get out of here. Oh.
Amazing. He actually thanks the officer for helping him.
You all right?
A surprisingly effective way to strip wires clean.
Don't you?
They learn how to respond to danger, stay confident, and keep situations under control, even when everything around them is pure chaos. People think you don't need to clear the snow off your car's roof, but that can end badly.